Hey Funbrain family! Today we have 10 rounds of Pick a Door. There are 3 doors, select one and get a surprise. Round 1 Food Surprise. Round 2 Animal Surprise. Round 3 Toy Surprise. Round 4 Money Surprise. Round 5 Gift Box. Mystery Box Wheel. Reveal at end. Round 6 Scary Round. Round 7 Food Trick. Round 8 Emoji Surprise. Round 9 Animal Swap. Round 10 Grand Final. Mystery Surprise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.